Welcome! If you've ever wanted to share someone's Instagram profile quickly and easily, using their QR code is the fastest way. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to share anyone's Instagram QR code, so you can connect with friends, promote accounts, or help others discover new profiles in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to the profile of the account you want to share. You can do this by searching for their username or tapping their name from your feed or messages. Once you're on their profile page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This opens up a menu with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled QR code. Instantly, the profile's unique QR code will appear on your screen. This code is a quick link that anyone can scan using their phone's camera or Instagram app to go directly to that profile. Now, to share this QR code with someone else, look for the share icon, usually represented by an arrow or 3 connected dots, on the QR code screen. Tap the share icon, and you'll see a list of apps and options pop up. Here, you can choose how you want to send the QR code. For example, you can select WhatsApp to send it in a chat, Instagram to share it in a direct message, or email if you want to send it to someone's inbox. Just pick your preferred app, select the contact you want to share it with, and send. The recipient will receive the QR code image, which they can scan to visit the profile instantly. That's it. Sharing someone's Instagram QR code is that simple. It's a great way to help friends connect or promote your favorite accounts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.